It's as long as him.
Literally.
My little angry bird. Look, Jack.
You got the same shirt on.
Yes.
I really didn't realize how worn this shirt was until.
I watched the movie.
Kaylee, what are you doing, girl?
Hi, Jack.
Hi.
Oh, look.
Nice.
So 1, 2, 1.
No. These are not to play with. These are Mommy's good tongs. These are special tongs.
Those 1.
Jack, what are you wearing?
Like that.
What is that you got on?
That was Mommy's shirt. I don't know what that is.
What's on that shirt?
That?
What is that?
That's the hammer.
There were so many other different ones.
Watch a movie called about the Mythbusters.
There was an Angry Bird shirt that said "Flippin' the Bird."
Nice.
I almost got that one, but when I found that they had an extra large in that, I had to get that. They had a pig shirt.
Oh, yeah.
It was green though. He's being an Angry Bird.
Is that what he's being?
Yeah. He kept telling me downstairs, he was playing with his garbage truck,
Uh-huh.
and he kept telling me that. What was he telling me to say? Oh, crap. I can't think.
Get him, Kaylee, get him! Oh, that was not cool. Get him, Kaylee, get him, Kaylee! Dude, really? What are you saying, gra gra?
Caca.
Rah! Get him, Kaylee, get him! Oh.
What's your movie? What's your movie?
Moose.
What's your movie day? What's your movie day? What's your movie? What's your movie day? What's in the movie about cars? About the Mythbusters? What's that day?
Watch a movie about cars in the Mythbusters, huh?
PC's day? Peace.
Nobody's
Papa!
I can't remember what he was telling me to say.
Dude, please stop that. That hurts.
That's way too loud.